Hi everyone. Welcome to the TunesKit AceMovi Channel. Today I'll tell you how to change audio on YouTube video via TunesKit AceMovi. Step 1. Download TunesKit AceMovi on your computer from its official website and then enter it. Its subscribers will get no watermark videos. Step 2. Drag and drop your YouTube video to the media panel in AceMovi and then add it to the timeline. Step 3. Right-click the video on the timeline and then choose the Detach Audio option to separate audio and video. Click the audio track and press the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the original audio. Step 4. Import your new audio to the timeline and then adjust its length and the place it applies to in your video. On the left audio panel, you can make some detailed changes to your audio. If you want to record your own voice and add it to your video, you can click the Record a Voiceover icon above the timeline. Step 5. When you finish video editing, you can click the export icon to enter the export pop-up where you can customize the output format and save path for your video. Click the export again to save your video to your computer. Does it help you? The download link is in the description area. Go and try it for free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.